Hello there, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike. Today I have yet another amazing software for you, EonMarket AI. This one in a nutshell is an AI application that helps you create Amazon-like stores online, which you can actually use to sell products, and you can do this by leveraging little known EonMarket AI secrets without any skill, creativity or budget, and you can create unlimited Amazon stores in minutes, which eventually attracts thousands of buyers, visitors and leads for yourself. And you can do this without having any prior knowledge of how to create a website. I mean, this is crazy. And this one is going live on the 18th of January 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time, and of course Central European time 5 p.m. and GMT 4 p.m. That's when this very product will go live. My name is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com. I do these reviews every other day to bring out products that are going to help you make money online. I will not hesitate to ask you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. And then because of this very review, at any point you decide to buy this product, that first link below in my description will bring you to this sales page where you will be able to have access to the buttons that are scattered all over this page. We will give you access to this button. When you do, you'll be able to have a copy of this. I will show you the very dashboard area of this application and also give you access to my bonuses for you and show you the amazing pricing for this one. Okay, so now let us go into more details with this one. Now, some of the benefits in a nutshell that you have here is that it creates a profitable marketplace without any coding, and because all is done for you by AI, and you can transform your niche, no matter the niche, ideas into a fully functional online store in minutes. And you can list your marketplace in their extensive network. No restrictions, pure exposure to the audience out there. I mean buyers, free buyers online, and you choose from a variety of customizable drag and drop store templates for this very application, and you effortlessly create stores in any niche of your choice. You could be in fashion, technology, home decor, rates, and of course you can also do your health and of course your fitness and all the rest of them. Okay, so you can send targeted push button notifications to store visitors with up to 98% open rates, and you have also the ability to incorporate interactive elements like pop-ups, buy buttons of course on the website, and countdown timers, which will exactly create scarcity and make people rush to buy your product. And you can broadcast unlimited promotional messages to your customers. You can also actually set it up simply by getting your marketplace running under 2 minutes with this application, because AI does it in a flash, and you can access massive library of over 5 million stock images and graphics. You can start your e-com stores empire with no initial investment required, and you have peace of mind with a 30-day money-back guarantee. AI-powered product curation, which means you have always the ability to have best-selling items because AI fishes them out from Amazon. You can easily add Google Ads and affiliate banners for additional revenue, very important for affiliate marketers, and implement Facebook and Google Pixel advanced marketing strategies with this application. Everything is conjoined with this, and you can actually optimize for all devices, that is mobile phones, tablets and desktop friendly. And of course you have the ability to create an agency business for yourself. That means you can set this up and manage stores for clients with full customization at your fingertips. So that's in a nutshell what this product does for you. But I believe you go through the sales page when you arrive here, you'll be able to see for yourself all these things and go through them and see if you are convinced about this product. But for me, I am very pretty convinced. Now, this is the step one. You need to choose niche. It could be fashion, it could be technology, it could be home decor, it could be anything. Then make up your mind on whatever you want to actually promote or sell. And then step two will be to customize your store using the information available to you and with the website. And then step three, you launch and begin to earn your money by selling those products. Like all these things you are looking at here, these are some of the products you can sort of populate in your website that is created by these top selling products from Amazon. And you can imagine the attraction and the traffic will go to these sites, thereby making you money. So I mean, you are selling valuable goods. Okay, so now this is the price for $16, I guess. Okay, so at any point you decide, you'll be able to use this link to buy one for yourself, and you'll be able to have visitors to your site like this on a monthly basis, on a daily basis. You can imagine what that means. So that's a lot for you to be able to actually lose on. And you have some testimonials somewhere here, as I saw before. You'll be able to make all use of all these testimonials to convince yourself, and then go down the page and see for yourself, so that we don't waste a lot of time here doing this when you will be able to come yourself to do so. Okay, now let us take a look at the very members area of this amazing site. This is the dashboard, and here is the button you use to create your site by actually creating this very clicking on this button. If you do, it will take you to where you choose your subdomain name and choose the niche you want, and then describe the product, and then of course submit. When you do that, it is going to create such a site for you, which can be populated with those products that are top selling on Amazon. Now you have that button for sites. You have this advanced image editor, which means with this application, this very button, you can actually edit your image and be able to shape it the way you want, the angles you want, and you'll be able to do that with this button. These blocks, to create blocks, you create blocks with this button, and then you of course write your automation here, and then manage with this button. Okay, all your creations. Okay, you have the banner, which means if you're an affiliate marketer, this will enable you to put some of those products or affiliate, whatever you are affiliating for, put them here, and then connect them to a link that will redirect them to the store where you actually sell the goods with their prices. Okay, and you have also this AI content creation, which means you'll be able to enter AI here, and then put in your keyword, and then put in your language, maybe English, and then how many variations of this very translation or script that you want churned out by this application. You'll be able to enter it here. Okay, you have also the AI graphics creator button. You have leads and automation, traffic, and the rest of them. Okay, so I mean, this is well detailed. You'll be able to take care of this as well, so you make up your mind. Now let's take a look at the pricing for this amazing EonMarket AI. The front end goes for $17, which gives you access to this very dashboard area, and then you'll be able to have it for that amount. I think there is something $1 less than this very amount. For $16 you'll be able to get it. And then here you have the unlimited edition of EonMarket AI, which goes for $67. Everything is basically unlimited. Watermarks, remove, everything unlimited for you. You have the OTO number 2, the upgrade number 2 for done for you edition, goes for $197. And this means the team of this launch, they are going to be the ones to actually create these things for you without you lifting any finger. Just put in your payment gateways, and you'll be able to receive your payments when people buy anything that is on those sites, which are already automated for you. That means you can make money while you are sleeping, because the internet never sleeps. Now you have the OTO number 3, which is the automation edition, goes for $47. You have the traffic edition for $97, which means they will send you endless traffic with this very upgrade. You have also the agency, which gives you ability to open up agency business for yourself and actually sell to others this service, as a freelancer or whatever you want. Now you have the reseller edition, which means you buy it for $67 and you can resell this product as if it's your own and keep the profit across the entire funnel. You have income stream edition, which is for $47. Okay, and you have the one for white label, $397, approximately $400. This means this product is yours when you have the white label. You can reshape it, you can rename it, you can rebrand it, you can relogo it. Anything you do, it's up to you, because it's your very product. Okay, that is why it is white label. Now let us take a look at the amazing bonuses that I have for you. Number 1 will be Latitude, a unique and beginner-friendly spin on push-button profits. That means you make money using non-fungible ads on NFTs on blockchain exchange. So you have also number 2 as the TweetX, which means you'll be able to divert traffic from Twitter, which is now an X platform, to your offer or link, or even the website that this very application EonMarket AI is going to create for you for e-commerce. Now you have also the number 3, which is the Insurgency, a training course on how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. Very, very good, very good. Okay, now you have also the number 4, the Lazy Traffic Sniper, which will give you access to free buyer traffic online, and that means making money. Traffic that can be redirected to the sites that you have created with this very application for e-com products. You have also the number 5 JavaScript commission bot, which is a bot that's installed in your system, which directs traffic to any offer or link of your choice. It's all about traffic. Without traffic, there is no making money online. So you have also number 6, my favorite, which is exactly the training that I started with when I started online more than 2 years ago, and then it's called Lockdown Formula, and it will help you start from scratch and use any niche of your choice to scale your business online exponentially. That's, I can assure you. So you have the number 7, which is the last, the commissions toolbox. This is a toolbox that contains over 1,000 different links online, which gives you access to different capabilities online, like email bulk sender. You have also image editor, video editor, you have graphics editor, you have everything. Any link you want to perform any magic, you'll be able to have it in this. So I mean, what else are you looking for? Now, at any point you decide to buy this product, like I told you, when you click that link in my description, that first link, it will take you to the sales page where you actually get a copy for yourself. On the sales page, when you arrive here, you will find a button that looks like this. When you click it, it will take you to the Warrior Plus platform where this product is hosted. After purchase, under your purchase history, you'll find a page that looks exactly like this. This green button gives you access to EonMarket AI, and this very blue one gives you access to my amazing bonuses. For any reason this does not give you access to that link that will give you access to the bonuses, then you write me with this email, which is synchronized with my Warrior Plus account, and then I will be able to send it to you in through email. Okay, so that's about it for this very review, the pricing, and my amazing bonuses. Now let us wrap it up by going back to the sales page, and this is exactly where I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell icon for notification. This product is going live today, the 18th of January 2024 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, which is New York time, 5 p.m. Central European Time, and 4 p.m. GMT. That's when this button is going to be operational for you to actually get a copy for yourself. And with that, I say, this is Mike coming back to you from MikeMbadiwe.com, and I will come back to you in my next review. Till then, I remain your Mike, signing out from here.